Hi guys, I'm Akhila. This is a collaboration with Fashionmarket.lk. Today I'm going to show you some cool styling options. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This power jacket goes with your favorite jeans, or you can pair it with white shorts and a bodysuit, or you can style it with a tank top. This is a shirt styled as a off-shoulder top by buttoning up a few buttons in the center. Here I am wearing black color shades because shirt is also black color. And I am wearing white color sneakers, white color shorts. This batik dress looks good tied from the waist and with a pair of matching earrings and heels. You can wear this sporty slip dress with a pair of sneakers for a casual look. And also you can wear it with or without earrings. It's up to you. This papaya t-shirt goes with this handbag. I'm wearing white color earrings because I'm wearing white shorts and white sneakers, so that goes with the look. You can style this quirky style printed dress with a pair of sneakers for a casual look, or you can put a pair of heels with the minimal jewelry and be the boss lady at work. Here I'm using this handbag because I think that handbag really goes with the whole look. This white pair of shoes and the handbag goes with the dress and gives a new look to the dress. This off-shoulder top perfectly goes with a black color short skirt, but here I'm wearing it with a denim shorts. And also I'm using gold color jewelries and matching handbag to style it. In here I'm wearing this red color top with white shorts. Because of that I thought of using a white color handbag to style it. And also I'm wearing heels and gold color earrings. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.